Okay, let's make some pine vinegar. This stuff is so easy to make, it's all natural, it's an excellent cleaner and degreaser, and it just makes vinegar smell better. First, I'm going to start by cutting up some white pine needles that I cut off a tree in my yard. You don't need a whole lot. I'm making quite a bit here, so I'm using this big container to cut them up in. I'm cutting these into pretty good sized pieces. They don't have to be chopped up very small. And as soon as I finish getting these cut up, we'll move on. Now that everything's cut up, we're going to add distilled white vinegar to cover all of the pine. And that's it. Cover it, let it sit for several weeks until it starts turning brown. I have some here that I started in March, and I'm straining it out. You can see what a beautiful color it turns after it's been sitting for a while. And the longer you let it sit, the more scent that it's going to develop over time. And throw your needles in the compost bin, and you're good to go.